When it rains just a lot. Jesus. So if you look on previous videos, you might see that that gully there is very, very deep. Get another hour and all this lot will have gone, I would have thought. Hi Bob.
Hi Bob.
Happy birthday to yous! Yay!
Anyway, we're in Gong. Or we will be in about 3 seconds.
It's very, very busy.
Have we painted this?
Yeah.
It's different colours.
Yeah, it's super busy.
It smells super lush.
Yeah. I guess it was that table that walked past.
Does it say? Hi Bob.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
It's prawn lemongrass, mint. Prawn lemongrass, mint, nuts. It's the dressing that's special. There's a special something in the dressing. From the Eastern province. I've got another as well. It's absolutely stunning.
I've got no mic, so the audio might be a little bit
Spectacular is the word.
sweet, savoury, salty, spicy, crunchy. No, get some more. Candied something in it, there's peanuts in it, there's mint, there's definitely a smack of chilli, and the prawns are just...
This you have to eat with your hands, okay? Because we're not going to change your plate, I'll change your plate to the next one.
So these are duck tacos.
Now, I think someone is just diving onto food heaven. My turn. These are absolutely stuffed to it, not very big.
The cheesy chili dumpling, it says it's very hot inside, so to be careful. What do you think? She's like all of it.
This one got loads of basil leaves in it.
Loads of basil leaves on the outside of it. I'm going to eat it with a bit of basil leaf on it. And it's like got an oil on it. Is that like chorizo on it or something? Fantastic.
Absolutely beautiful.
Stunning.
I don't know if I can show what's inside one. But they've got a bit of a smack of chorizo. So that is the dumpling. Are they dumplings or pancakes? And that's cheese that's in the middle. If you come to Gongs, it's always the flavours. But the menu that you normally get, which is now 17-18 euros, is good and it changes every week. The tasting menu.
The things on the normal menu are just as good. It's just you get more on the tasting menu. So if you're a really fat pig like we are, this tasting menu.
I mean, it does cost more. It costs like an extra tenner. I think it's 27 euros today. But then we've been looking through the normal menu, and I can just go absolutely nuts with the normal menu because it's cracking. Steamed sea bass, brown butter, hollandaise, and miso.
So it's got hollandaise sauce on it. Oh, it's butter, right? Okay.
Steak with roasted chili and cashew.
Beef.
Beef curry.
Beef curry, he said, didn't he?
Yeah. A herbal stir fry, let's call it. Oh, it's got cheese on the top of it.
No, I did say that it's not cheesy.
So it's like cheese and scallions or onions.
Yeah. That's lovely. That is delicious. That's Coke.
That's spicy, yeah?
That's like the massive. It's really nice. He's dipping it in the curry because that's what Lorraine told us to do.
How
good is that?
And this is a dessert. Ice cream and
Coconut ice cream.
sweet wonton. So what is it, Jessica? What's in it? Chocolate. Is it chocolate hazelnut chocolate?
It's nice.
Oh my god, that ice cream. Oh, that's delicious ice cream. That was absolutely a whole meal stunning.
Spectacular. Succulent.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Barbara. Happy birthday to you. This week's Bob's birthday. Actually, today is Bob's birthday. So happy birthday, Bob, you old chuff. Maddie can't be with us because Maddie's moved up north and she's got a job, which means she's working.
Look at the size of them.
Hang on a minute. Right, watch this face. Are you ready for this? The steaks are from Only Meat. We won't be going there again for a long time.
Too bloody expensive.
Right, have a guess. Hang on a second. Here's the 4 steaks.
€100.
No.
There's the 4 steaks. So there's my hand on the side. So you see.
Quite big.
They weigh for the 4 just over a kilo. 1.5 kilos they weigh, and the price per kilo
It's €100.
is €100.
That's crazy. Now.
That is. Anyway, they look like nice steaks, so I best not spoil them when I cook them. I
Proper.
would have told him how much they were.
Well, it's because he came in before it was supposed to come in.
Before you had a chance.
Before we had a chance to put it on camera, and then he would have seen it when you lot see the videos. The quality of the meat is really good. Having said that, the meal at Gong's last night for all of us was much.
To access the keys. But if
So they were from Maddie as well.
They're from Maddie, yes.
So you can say thank you on.
Thank you, darling.
They're from me,
We're not saying there's a bit of a, but
and then that's from me and Andy.
hang on. Do you want to tell everybody what it is?
It's tickets to the Benidorm Palace.
These, if you've ever seen these in Mercadona, all right, it's a red velvet cake. It's in the freezer, and they are a 10 out of 10.
They're absolutely lovely.
For the record, Helen is going to cook the chips.
3
Twice.
times. I've done it. This is twice. They're nice and crispy and golden. But I'm gonna do the onion rings, do the steaks, and then do the chips again just before I put them out.
So here's the question. How do you like your chips? Me personally, they tend to come in a lot of places golden, sort of the colour that Helen's got now-ish. I actually like mine browner. Doesn't happen very often. It's like when you go to the chip shop, they're not necessarily cooked more, whereas I don't know why either. Vinegar, we need some vinegar.
Oh, I don't like vinegar. Oh, I don't like vinegar on chips, by the way. I don't have salt on chips either. I just like chips with a bit of ketchup.
The last time we had steaks from Only Meat, there were a lot of comments, especially from a few vloggers in the area, mainly Mike and Yvonne, hi, and also Yaz and Scott, stranger couple. It's like being in a working men's club in the 70s.
Yeah, but it's
Smoky
not
as hell.
It's not smoke. Well, it is smoke actually.
Not quite the same smoke though.
It smells nicer.
And people aren't sat drinking pints of mild.
Are you meant to light it up with the film?
This isn't working. Oh no!
Working.
We'll just put it down. Get it out, get it out.
Can't look. Oh, anyway. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to.
It won't light up.
It ran out of gas.
It's run out of gas. Fill it up, fill it up.
There's another one in there, a blue one. What the hell you...
it kind of started being lit, and then, hey, look, see. You have to pretend the other one's like working.
Happy
Stop doing that.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
We loved the solo. Oh, it smells like bonfire night.
Oh,
Yeah. Well, they were both meant to sparkle at the same time then. Yeah.
Yeah, but it didn't quite work.
Yeah,
We lit that one, then went to try light that one, and then the gas went out on that, and it was like...
The wrong lighter. Anyway, happy birthday.
Thank you.
birthday.
Thank you.
More Fat Boy cake.